Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you are doing good. So let's see how the cards are coming today. But before I start the cards, I feel today to tell you all that in the evening, if possible, hear the Shri Suktam and burn a ghee lamp with 3 clouds in it for Mahalakshmi ji today. And today, wear the color red. I don't know, before I'm just opening the cards, I feel like telling you these two things. Wear the color red, and for Mahalakshmi ji, burn the ghee lamp with 3 clouds and hear the Shri Suktam today. I feel you need some protection along with abundance coming your way. So let's see what is the first card. Tantra. Can you see the card? Maybe that is the reason also, because Tantra is more high volt energies according to me. But we will see what is coming. Before, let me just pull one more card for you all today. Okay, it's a whole day of love and Venus surrounded, I guess. So coming to Tantra, maybe you are experiencing a lot of different things in life and a lot of unwanted energies, I would say, because I feel unwanted energies and you need a breakthrough. I feel just embrace it, understand what is happening, become one with it, connect with the energies, try to see what it is. At the same time, be gentle to yourself. Don't be very hard on yourself, don't work too hard on yourself. Maybe there is some beautiful outcome which is coming in, because of which everything is happening around you. It does not need to be the way the card shows. It can also be that you are entwined or stuck in some energies today from which you want to come out. Now, to come out, you just need to trust what your heart wants, and you just need to understand that with love. Now, this love does not need to be love for another person. It can be love for the divine, love for yourself, and love for the unwanted energies, because there's some negative thoughts in your mind today which are which is there, but you're not ready to come out of it, you're not ready to let go of it. I feel today, connect with yourself, connect with your heart chakra, and embrace the energies around you and say, I know I'm vulnerable today, but I'm ready to let go of this vulnerability. Maybe that is the reason also that I said in the evening, burn the lamp, because you need a lot of protection. Before I could even open the cards, so go with the flow today. Don't allow any energies to overpower your mind and heart, because end of the day, you know what you need in your path, and trust your heart, because your heart is going to lead you in the right way. I hope you all have a beautiful and a clarity filled day today. It is just in your hands. Don't allow energies to overpower you. God bless you.